How to deactivate your Facebook account. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Facebook application. Once you check that, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down there, you'll see setting and privacy. From there, you have to choose settings. Now, go to your account center. There you will see personal details. Tap on it. From here, select account ownership and control and choose deactivation or deletion. Choose your Facebook account and hit on the continue to deactivate your account. Then simply hit your password and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily deactivate your Facebook account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.